Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Welcome to a new lesson for our school, Qatar Technical School. This is an English lesson for grade 10 using Technical English Book 1. The title of today's lesson is Buying One. Now it's time to look at the objectives. The first objective is filling in a customer call form. Sometimes when you call a company, they ask you about some information and they write this in a form. Today we're going to learn what information should go in this form and how you fill it. The second objective is listening for details. Please open the course book page 46. Now let's look at exercise 1. Listen and complete the customer call form. In the customer call form, we have the customer call information. We have here 4 pieces of information: name, phone number, email address, and the message. By message, we mean why the person called the company. What does he want them to do to him? So now let's listen to answer.
Unit 6, Recording 35.
Hello, this is Manuel Vargas. That's Vargas. My phone number is 003494666389. I repeat that, 003494666389. Please send me your catalog of sports equipment. My email address is mvargas17@extreme_sports.co.es. I'll say that again, mvargas17, that's MVARGAS 17, all one word, at extreme_sports, that's spelled XTREME_sports.co.es.
Okay, now after we listen, let's check the answers together. The name is Manuel Vargas. The phone number is 003494666389. His email address is mvargas17@extreme_sports.co.es. The message, he wants them to please send catalog of sports equipment. Good. Now let's move to exercise 2. In exercise 2, we need to listen and write the correct email and web addresses. On the left, we have what we hear. You hear, for example, in number 1, Walid@sports.com. This is what you hear, but this is what not you write. What you write is, as you see on the right, Walid and the symbol for sports, at and then sports, and we make a dot. We don't write DOT. We put a dot and then com. Let's listen to number 1.
Unit 6, Recording 36. 1.
Walid@sports.com.
Okay, so this is what we hear. Now let's listen from number 2 to number 6 all together, and you do the same. You write what you hear.
2. Atom at city.co.uk. 3.
Theo Walcott, that's T-H-E-O, then W-A-L-C-O-T-T, at Goalfeast, that's G-O-A-L-F-E-A-S-T, all one word, .com.
4.
C. Ronaldo, that's R-O-N-A-L-D-O, at back of the net, that's BACK-OF-THE.net.
5.
www.toyota, that's toyota.com/customer-support.
6. www.orascom, that's orascom.eg/sales_1.
Okay, now let's check the answers together. The answer for number 2, this is how we write it. Number 3, number 4, okay, the symbol between back and of and that is called dash. Number 5, okay, what comes after com is /. Number 6, okay, very good, thank you. Now let's move to exercise 4. Listen to this phone conversation and complete the questions. Okay, so here we have a conversation. What's your surname, please? It's Lint. Could you that please? Lint. Could you that please? And here we have letters L-I-N-T, G or D. Okay, so here we see that the person is asking many questions to clarify what he hears from the other person. He wants everything to be correct, everything to be clear, so he asks some questions. So today we're going to listen for details and learn how to make questions or ask questions to get things clear. Let's listen and complete the questions.
Unit 6. Recording 37.
What's your surname, please?
It's Lint.
Could you repeat that, please?
Lint.
Could you spell that, please?
L-I-N-T.
Is that T or D?
It's T. T for teacher.
Thanks. And what's the product number?
It's 17-305.
Is that 17 or 70?
Teen. 17. 17.
Right, thanks.
Okay, now let's check the answers together. Number 1, could you repeat that, please? Number 2, could you spell that, please? Number 3, is that T or D? And number 4, is that 17 or 70? So in question number 1, when we don't hear clearly and want someone to repeat something, you say, could you repeat that, please? And if you're not sure about the spelling, you ask question number 2, could you spell that, please? And when you're not sure about one letter, you ask, is it T or D? Is it L or N and so on. And the other person made it very clear when he said it's T for teacher. Number 4, when we're not sure about a number, we say is that 17 or 70, is that 14 or 40. So we notice that the stress is on the last part when it is 17, 14, 13 and so on. But when it is a number with a 0 like 70, 40, we don't stress the second or syllable or the last part. Thank you so much. Okay, so today we have achieved both our objectives. Please don't forget to go to the Teams after watching the video to do the homework. You will have 24 hours to finish the homework. We wish you all the best. Goodbye.